Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add an EMA in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. We have here find indicator. Click on it and type EMA. Now go and choose Exponential Moving Average. This is what EMA stands for. Okay, now click on it and go to period, and you can choose any period you want. So let's choose, for example, the 50. So this one will be the 50 EMA. Okay, we have here lines. This one is for the color. You can choose any color you want. Let's choose, for example, yellow. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the line. So I'll choose, for example, 4 and click on OK. Now this one is our 50 EMA. As you can see, we have here exponential moving average 50. Okay, and the color is yellow. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.